the court has struck down the rules and the guidelines which enable the operation of Section 17(2). As regards the 17(2) itself, it has decided that the 17(2) has to be read down, which means that any proposals which come have to be considered in the light of the regional plan only and not independently, not by themselves, not for reasons of inconsistency and incoherency.
काहीच जावंक ना. आम्ही सुप्रीम कोर्टाक अप्रोच करता. मुकुल रोहतगीक आम्ही ऑलरेडी ब्रीफ केल्ले आसा. मुकुल रोहतगीत आमचो मॅटर सुप्रीम कोर्टार व्हरतलो. तो व्हरताना आमी बी आमच्या मनान कितें आसा आनी हायकोर्टान जे कितें दिलां एक लक्षात घ्या. ज्युडिशरी हांव खूब मानता आनी आयज जजान कितें सांगलेलें आसा आनी जजान कितें इंटरप्रिटेशनाचें सांगलेलें आसा की कांय कडेन तें वेगळ्या तरेन तें इंटरप्रिटेशन आनी ऑपरेशनलायज वेगळ्या तरेन करपाची गरज आसा. ते वेगळ्या तरेन ऑपरेशनलायज करपाक प्रॉब्लेम ना म्हणूनच आमी 39 हाडले. 39 हाडले उपरांत ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन आनी लोकांक जर कितें करपाक जाय ते ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशनाचो जो पयले जे नाशिल्ले ते आमी इम्प्लिमेंट केल्ले आसा. करेक्शन हे जावंक जाय आनी हे सगळे गोष्टी आमकां करपाक कांयच हरकत ना. आमी एक लक्षात घेवंक जाय की हे जे लोक जे म्हणटाले की आमी सेक्शन 17(2) आमी कॅन्सल करता. 17(2) हॅज बीन अपहेल्ड बाय द कोर्ट. 17(2) चेर ते वचूंक ना. सेक्शन आसा. By the time we go to the Supreme Court and place a view, lot of things will happen. There are multiple things the government has options of doing, and we will work within the framework of the advice given by the judiciary. We will also try to understand what has been told to us, and same time they have not said that you cannot make corrections and all. The methodology what you should adopt in terms of the rule regulation and tweaking of the rule regulation, we will examine it, and accordingly we will place it before the Supreme Court, and then accordingly we will take it forward.
So each of the approvals that have been granted have to be considered, to my mind, reconsidered in the light of what they were in the original regional plan, and only if they can show that there was some error in the regional plan, then a zone can be a good zone change could be considered, not because people find that this is not a correct zone or this is not a good zone or I want to develop my property. That is all cancelled by the High Court.